hardest part is waking up with a question in your mind, 1,000 thoughts that never sleep, no answers left behind. Even words upon a paper can't explain the storm inside. 'Cause when somebody leaves this world, the truth leaves with their life. And the silence grows louder every night, every day. We build our own reasons just to soften the pain. Some get angry, curse the sky. Some pretend it's all alright. Some say they were lost inside themselves. Some just cry alone at night. But every tear and every scar, every broken piece above, comes from hurt, comes from pain. And pain was born from love. The mind keeps chasing logic, trying to understand, searching for a reason it can hold within its hands. But there's nothing simple in it, no equation to solve, just echoes in the hallway and memories that won't dissolve. Maybe healing isn't answers, maybe peace is letting go, holding on to all the moments even when they hurt the most. 'Cause the pain I feel right now means the joy I knew was real. That's the price of loving deeply, that's the human deal. Some get angry, some go numb. Some get angry, some go numb. Some keep asking what went wrong. Some keep asking what went wrong. Some keep carrying silent battles long after they are gone. But beneath the grief and madness, underneath the ache above, there's a truth we can't escape. All this pain was shaped by love. The pain I feel now is the happiness I had before.